Stevie J here with your UFC Fight Night weigh-in results from Manchester, England. And keep in mind that the Fox Sports announcers were talking over these at several points. I'll make a note of it. But I think generally these results are fine because none of the people that were talked over were asked to weigh in or told to cut additional weight. One person was told to cut additional weight. We will get to that. Michael Cooper was in fact the first one talked over, but I believe he's 185. Brad Scott was definitely 186, and that's the first middleweight bout of the card. Jimmy Hedges and Rob Whiteford were both 145 for their featherweight bout. Cole Miller was 146, and the popular Andy Ogle was 145. Jessica Andrade was 134, and Rosie Sexton was 135, and had to keep flipping her hair out of the way so she could see her weight on the scale. Andrew Craig had a hair issue as well. Perhaps if he cut off a pound of it, he would be 185 even, but he was 186. His opponent, Luke Barnett, however, was on the money. Speaking of on the money, 155 each for Piotr Hallman and Ali Akinta. Now here's our weigh-in problem. The number 5 flyweight in the world, John Lineker, came in at 128. As I recall, this is not the first time he's had an issue with making weight for a fight. Joe Rogan announced he's got 1 hour to cut the additional 2 pounds. He knew he wasn't going to make it either. They had the towel out and waiting for him as he stepped on the scale. His opponent, Phil Harris, had no problems. He was 125 on the dot. 186 for Nico Masoki and 185 for Phil Harris, so that fight is official. John Tuck had some absurd-looking necklace on that they made him take off and step back on the scale before he could weigh in. But both he and his opponent Norman Park were 155 even. For a light heavyweight bout, Ryan Jimmo was 204 and Jimmy Manawa was 205. The commentators were talking over Melvin Gillard as he weighed in, but I'm pretty sure Joe Rogan said 155. Ross Pearson was 156. The natural middleweight Mark Munoz was 186, while light heavyweight Lyoto Machida was 185 on the money. Boy, does he look skinny at 185, and he started hydrating immediately before they posed and was still hydrating as the weigh-ins ended and he was walking away, so that boy cut some serious water weight. But that fight is official, and Machida made the weight, so that's your UFC Fight Night weigh-in results for the show tomorrow from Manchester. And we got a lot coming up this weekend. We got Bellator MMA, albeit Resurrection Fighting Alliance tonight, I'll have a report on that, and the Fight Night, of course, so stay tuned for that.